What does a baby in the grip of a python have in common with tomatoes covered in snow? Everything. In this video, I'll talk about how when spirit is trying to get a message to you, it will appear in your dreams over and over again, even if those dreams look totally different. When I interpret a set of dreams for a client, I often find the same message repeats, or there may be 2 or 3 themes that reoccur time and again. Your dreams are probably repeating the same messages too. And figuring out what that message is, that's the first step to changing your life. I'll show you what I mean. Let's look at 3 dream fragments from one particular client. All these dreams occurred within the same week. Dream number 1, tomatoes and snow. I dreamt I got up in the morning and went out to check on new tomato plants I just put out in containers. The deck was covered with mounds of snow. I said, no, this can't be happening. I unburied the tomato plants and they were dead, brown sticks. I was screaming and upset. Now, the dreamer told me she already knew what this dream meant. She'd recently planted out tomatoes and was worried she'd put them out too early. So she thought this was simply an anxiety dream about that. But wait, there is a deeper layer to this dream. Snow and ice in dreams are about emotional coldness. The dream shows us that the dreamer's emotional coldness is killing something young and tender, something precious to the dreamer. How do we know this for sure? Let's look at 2 other dreams from the same dreamer to see the pattern. Dream number 2, plants in a freezer. I was visiting my niece. I went into her big freezer and found several trays of potted seedlings. I'd given her the freezer, and these were my old plants. I thought I might be able to salvage one that was a rose, but it was moldy and dead. Now this dream has obvious parallels to the tomatoes and snow dream. We have a freezer, which again represents emotional coldness, and young plants being killed off by it. But this dream validates that tomatoes and snow wasn't just an anxiety dream about her new tomatoes. There's more going on here. So let's look at a 3rd dream for clues. Dream 3, baby and python. Just before I woke up, there was something about a baby wrapped in a python, and I was trying to rescue the baby. I don't remember the details. This hazy dream fragment hardly seems worth interpreting. It's so brief. But even a snippet can pack a wallop, because the message of this dream is the same message as tomatoes and snow and plants in a freezer, even though on the surface they have nothing in common. Let's look at the resonance. We have something new and vulnerable, a baby, being strangled to death. The baby is like the tomatoes and the frozen seedlings, and the python is like the snow in the freezer. Now, a baby in a dream often represents a new endeavor, such as a new job, a new relationship, or a new opportunity. So now we have a better clue as to what the dreamer is killing off. I asked her if there was something in her life, something relatively new, that she'd grown cold towards, and the answer was yes. She'd started a new business some months ago and had been very passionate about it, but it wasn't taking off and she'd gotten discouraged. Now she wanted to drop it entirely. These dreams are all telling the dreamer, don't do it. Don't go cold on this idea. You need to rescue this nascent business from the discouragement that's killing it. This business is important. This is another example of why I love dreams so much. Because this dreamer's guides are urgently sending her this message, she can be confident that it truly is in her best and highest good to continue with the business, to reignite her interest and enthusiasm for it. So take a look at some of your dreams. They might be saying the same thing. And whatever it is, it's a message you need to hear. Remember, to live your best life, follow your dreams.